Happy birthday Sarah G, deserve mong I celebrate tong araw na to kasi we've seen you grow a lot and changed a lot for the better. Witnessing you being a very responsible mom to Amara, nakaka-proud ka, saludo kami sa katatagan mo, knowing na you've been through so much yet you still choose to be kind and forgiving. Napakalawak ng pag-unawa and pag-intindi mo, us your kumares we're very lucky having you as one of our trusted. Sa mga bagay na takot ka, dahil di mo alam paano simulan, si 100k views and counting ka na, nakikita namin ulit ang excitement mo kada check mo kung may lipad ka. Racing Amara, nag-iisip ka kung paano siya palakihing mabuting tao. Takot ka kung paano siya palakihing matapang. You setting as a good example, she'll be as strong as you. You're doing a very good job from feeling paralyzed to building your own castle real quick, wear that crown and that smile always. Continue winning in life, please remember that you can count on us every step of the way, dito lang kami 24/7, cheers to 32nd birthday.